Lesson 1.2, Origins and Evolution of Design Thinking. Welcome to Lesson 1.2 of our course on design thinking. In this lesson, we will dive into the fascinating history of design thinking, exploring its origins and evolution over time. Understanding where design thinking came from will provide valuable insights into its development and its relevance in today's world. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the origin and evolution of design thinking and the early influences. Recognize the influence of design schools. Identify key milestones in the development of design thinking. Understand the global impact of design thinking. The early influences. To understand the origins of design thinking, we need to journey back in time. Design thinking, as a concept, has been evolving for decades, but its roots can be traced back to various sources. One of the early influences on design thinking was the field of industrial design, particularly during the 20th century. Designers like Raymond Loewy and Dieter Rams emphasized the importance of aesthetics, functionality, and user-centered design. Their work laid the foundation for the user-centric approach we associate with design thinking today. The influence of design schools. The evolution of design thinking was significantly influenced by design schools and institutions. The Bauhaus school in Germany, for instance, promoted the idea that design should be integrated into everyday life. This philosophy played a crucial role in shaping design thinking principles. Emergence of design thinking as a discipline. The term, design thinking, itself was popularized in the 1960s and 1970s. Pioneers like Herbert A. Simon and Horst Rittel began using it to describe problem-solving methods that went beyond traditional design fields. Design thinking started to emerge as a distinct discipline characterized by empathy, iteration, and user-centricity. The role of IDEO. One of the most influential moments in the evolution of design thinking was the founding of IDEO, a design and innovation consultancy. IDEO, led by David Kelly, played a pivotal role in popularizing design thinking in the business world. Their projects, like the development of the first Apple mouse, showcased how design thinking could drive innovation. Key milestones. As design thinking gained traction, it reached various milestones. In 2001, David Kelly and Tim Brown co-founded the Stanford D. School, Hasso-Plattner Institute of Design at Stanford, which became a hub for design thinking education. Books like The Art of Innovation and Change by Design further spread its principles. The global impact. Design thinking is now a global phenomenon. It has made its way into diverse industries, from technology and healthcare to education and government. Organizations worldwide have adopted design thinking as a problem-solving framework, emphasizing human needs and collaboration. Let us recap. In this lesson, we've explored the origins and evolution of design thinking, from its early influences in industrial design to its emergence as a prominent discipline for problem-solving and innovation. As we move forward in this course, keep in mind how this history has shaped the principles and methodologies we'll be exploring in detail. Thank you for joining us in this lecture on the origins and evolution of design thinking. In the next lesson, we'll delve into the key principles that underpin the design thinking process, providing you with a solid foundation for your journey into this innovative problem-solving approach.